Here are 50 sentences for restaurant conversations. I'd like to make a reservation for 2 at 7 p.m. May I have your name, please? We have a reservation under Smith. Welcome. Let me show you to your table. Could I see the drinks menu, please? Would you like to start with a cocktail or some water? What are today's specials? We have grilled salmon with lemon butter sauce and ribeye steak with truffle fries. Do you have any gluten-free options? We have several gluten-free dishes. What would you recommend from the menu? The seafood paella is very popular. Could we get the garlic prawns to start? Certainly. Anything else? Does this dish contain nuts? No, it's completely nut-free. I'll have the chicken parmesan, please. Would you like a side with that? How would you like your steak cooked? Medium rare, please. Could you tell me more about the vegetarian options? We have a vegetable lasagna and a quinoa salad. Could I have mashed potatoes instead of fries? Yes, we can substitute that for you. Which wine pairs well with the lamb? I'd recommend the Merlot. Do you have any vegan options? We have a vegan stir-fry and a plant-based burger. Can I get a non-alcoholic beer? We have a few options available. Could I see the dessert menu? Our chocolate fondant is a customer favorite. Can we split the bill? How would you like to divide it? Is service included? Yes, but you can leave an additional tip if you wish. Can we book a table for a birthday celebration? Would you like us to prepare a cake? Could we sit by the window? I'll do my best to accommodate you. Is the curry very spicy? We can make it milder if you prefer. Can I get a box for the leftovers? I'll bring one over. Could we have a quiet table, please? We have a spot in the corner that should be perfect.
Do you have Wi-Fi here? The password is on the back of the menu. Do you have a loyalty program? You can sign up at the front desk. The decor is really stylish. Thank you, we recently renovated. Is the seafood locally sourced? Yes, it's fresh from the nearby coast. Could we get 2 cappuccinos, please? Would you like any dessert with that? These sentences should cover a wide range of interactions at a restaurant. Thanks for watching.
I know you are a kind people. Please like, share, and subscribe if you do this. It helped me to do more.